Hi everyone. Today again we're going to same city Clark and we want to show to you moto accessories shop, moto accessories, because I want to buy something in this shop. I need to gloves because my gloves already broken and also maybe pants. I want to see pants because my pants big already for me. That's why. And I want to show to you accessories, also helmet, jackets also for motor, how much in the Philippines and where you can buy. So we're going with Shaira. Of course, first we're going to eat with Shaira. She wanted street foods, not street foods. She wanted, what you want? Seafoods? Japanese. In food court have also restaurant, not restaurant, it's place. We already eat before, it's good shrimp, I like shrimp. Shaira want to buy something another. I will show to you. We will show to you what we eat also. I use a small camera DJI Nano. And you can see quality of this video. I put camera here. Entrance. Hi. Oh, today empty. Shaira empty in SM Clark. It's good. You don't like if so many people. That's why it's good time for you. For me also. Makimura. Before Makimura, always big lion. It's also, it's ramen, also Japanese. But first we're going to food court. In food court. In food court we eat. But I'm not hungry. Shaira won't eat because Shaira again long time sleep. Not long time. Today not long time because time now. What time? Now 4:23. 4:23. Even in Nassau. Take a look. In Nassau also have space for seat. Greenwich. You don't want Greenwich right now, okay? I don't want also. So many pizza, it's not good also. But seafood, I think seafood is okay.
Pagod na ako.
Yes. Today good. Shawarma. Shawarma always busy. Shawarma always busy. But why, Shaira? Shawarma also have in the outside also have shawarma.
This one is original.
Original as copy or what?
I just say what the difference is the taste.
Taste, different taste. They know how to make shawarma here. Maybe meat is better.
Yes.
Okay.
I like the shawarma here. It's
I will try because I don't know. I not try and I don't know. Okay.
Later we can try.
Okay. This is a shop for human. For animals where, Shaira? I don't know. For human have. I know where. We buy food, for cat foods outside. Yes, it's for animal. Shaira said first she will drink and later we eat because I'm not hungry. I need to little bit time. I eat breakfast at home. But she like goncha. Okay, goncha coffee. How much? What you want? Milk tea? Milk tea? This is milk tea.
No, green tea. What green tea?
No, fruit tea maybe is good. Honey, green tea.
This one.
Okay.
Large or medium only?
No, I don't know.
Large is 125.
No, large if I also little bit. I can drink also peach green tea. Okay, it's
May peach green tea na lang daw. Peach green tea. The large.
Sure
Sugar maybe
50 only.
yes, half sugar. Okay, Shaira already take. Okay, thank you. Good service here. Have bag. In China also have Gongcha, very popular. And quality drinks also I like. My setup today, so I use DJI Nano camera to magnetic mount. So it's good. If I need to take video, I just only take this one and filming. I think it's very good. Not need to take a big camera and big bag. Sometimes I use also phone. Park safe. Yes, it's good. And very close have a moto shop. You see, this is motor shop. Installment also. Evo, how much Evo? About 4,000, same 4,000 peso. Take a look. 2.5, it's photo old, 4.5. Evo is popular in the Philippines. 2.8 helmet. Moto bags also. This is small moto bags. 950 peso. Big. 950. No, 985. This is good. It's good quality. Backpack also. Caps. Gloves also. You see price. Balaclava. How much is cap? Evo. Price 650 peso. What, Shaira?
That's my dad like.
I already bought to you that good bag. Not need more. Oh, this is gloves. You see. I don't want this one. I want only without this. How much price? 1,195. Also, and how much this one? I don't have price. 795. Okay. Nitro. Leather. 900. Oh, 1,300. I don't have without. You have without this one.
Sorry?
Just simple without this parts. Yes.
We don't have.
Don't have. Always have motor. But I see. I don't know where. I seen before in the shop. Really don't have here. Don't have. Okay. Oh, free 500 peso.
If you buy one helmet.
100 and discount 500 peso.
Yes. No. You gonna buy some helmet and then you have 500 worth of accessories.
Accessories you can buy for 500 peso. Okay. Microfiber clothes. How much? $60 peso. Nitro. 2,795. That's good. And this one price don't have. This is 4,000 peso. This is brand Nitro. T-shirts. T-shirts it's 895. Now it's good T-shirt. Dry fit. raincoat. Raincoat I bought already for Shaira. How much raincoat? I don't have price. I don't know. Huh? 4,000.
But it's cheaper there.
Uh-huh.
Because my helmet is already...
Small bags also. How much small bags? About 300 peso. This is 500 peso. Okay. Okay, we will go to another shop and compare this shop and another shop. Okay, let's go. Also,
But don't have what is gloves?
don't have for me because gloves I know what kind of gloves I need. Okay, let's go to another shop. Yes, I know. It's a shop near Spider. Maybe two shops here, this side. Savory. Shaira, Savory don't want to. Better seafoods today. Savory, of course, today don't have people. This is Motor World. Okay, Motor World. First shop. It's near Oakley. Take a look. This is Oakley, and this is Motor World. In Motor World, I remember I bought a jacket. Now this jacket, how much? Good afternoon. 6,500. This jacket 6,500.
The gloves?
Gloves. Cold for you?
Yes.
Cold for Shaira. Okay, I will check gloves. Hello? Yes, I think here gloves. This parts. This one. Okay. Oh, it's good.
But you need smaller.
Excuse me, you have different size like this.
Meron pa bang pants ang Comini par size?
How much is pants? Comin. I have also Comin, Shaira.
Ang Comini pants sir is all out already sir.
Sold out.
This is 4XL. It's very big.
The last one
No, Comin. I have jacket Comin. I bought before Comin jacket here, and I want to same pants.
Even your helmet also here.
Helmet.
Yes, the visor.
Yes,
Don't have
I
that
bought
visor
also.
until right now.
When you have available more Comin?
Maybe in the moto market sir. Marquee. Infinity.
In Infinity?
Yeah.
You have the same shop in Infinity, near
Moto
Market Mall.
much bigger.
Much bigger. Okay. Thank you for information.
I think there's a lot of Comini pants there.
Okay. I will
Even the
check.
visor?
No, I will check. Yes, because visor also need. But I like this one because you have Comin. I have also Comin. This is how much is Comin? I don't know how much. 3XL. It's about 5.5. But I bought Camino. It's about 9,000 peso expensive because it's good quality. I have two Camino 16 is same like my quality. Sale also have. Oh, this is Enigma 21. It's good for hot season. It's very good in the Philippines. And sale also. Okay. Also Camino. Yeah, Camino is very good and comfortable drive. Right. 7,000 peso. What, Shaira? What you see?
Helmet.
Helmet?
Because my helmet is not good.
My helmet also not good. Need to check.
No, the visor you have resist. You need the cover, the
Ah,
white cover.
Yes.
If you
I like also this style. Very good. I don't know how much. This is light, not so heavy. Yes, it's light.
This one,
Oh, same. Yes.
it's
How much?
19,000.
19,000. Yeah, but it's good quality.
That's 19,000.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, good looking. Yes.
But this one is what is this? The glove is so good here.
Gloves. Yes, need to check another shop and gloves also. This is spider helmet. I have spider helmet. Oh, Nomad also have helmet. Nomad. I know Nomad have what is for phone. Yes, interesting. How much? 3,070. This is brand Nomad.
Yes, sir.
I know have for cover for phone. Same.
What's it?
Cover phone cover also have Nomad.
Ah,
A spider, this is spider Arrow 2. Arrow 2 4,000. No, 5,000. I have Arrow 1. Very good. Maybe I will buy someday Arrow 2. Shaira, what better color for helmet? Gray or black? I have black already.
Black.
But gray like this is also good looking.
Black better.
Black better?
Did you not ask me what I want in my helmet?
the black one.
What you want in your helmet? Red?
No.
Yellow? This one?
No, I'm not.
Taxi driver, Shaira. You will use taxi? No? What color you want?
I have black also.
Maybe this? Shaira, you don't like maybe this color?
Pink? No.
Pink you don't like. Maybe XS need, XS.
I don't have excess tailor.
Very small. Please show to us.
Medium ma'am. Medium yung pinaka
No, medium no. Need small. Need small.
small natin ma'am. Ito, ganito.
It's Shaira, it's not good for your
Pero parang sa
color is not good.
Why?
How much is?
Can you? 3-1. That is good. Good quality.
Not good if it's not open. Modular is better.
Ayaw mo na lang.
Yes, because you cannot talk with you. Modular or open face better. Shaira. Usually price about 5,000 peso. This is 4,000 peso.
Don't have small.
Don't have small. Need to find small for you. Because before I bought for you small size. Not easy to find.
What can I do if I feel slightly?
Okay. Don't have the same, Shaira. Gloves.
Kasi nagano ako nila.
Don't have what I want. Don't have. Can you try, Shaira, medium and check quality with helmet? Maybe online have. You ask. Because you try the helmet, but we can buy small online maybe. Just you choose what yes, comfortable for you or not. You try medium try.
Doon kaya ka?
Yeah, very big.
No, it's not
But
big.
comfortable for you? No, Shaira, it's you see, it's like
No,
don't know.
because you did not close it yet.
No, need small. Okay, close and check.
If you adjust this one, it's okay rather than for my helmet. This
No,
one, it's
need small size, Shaira. Need fit good. Helmet need always
better
fit to
here.
head. Shaira, I know about helmet. I know. About helmet, I know. If your helmet have space, it's not good.
Kasi ma'am, pag dumangin, gumagano siya. Sa air.
Yes, need to fit helmet. Yes, need small, Shaira.
Gagawa ko kung mali ang ulo ko.
Oh, you need so many hair.
No, if I have bonnet, it's okay. I can
No. Shaira, it's not safety. You not understand. Not safety if big helmet. Helmet need to fit. Okay, thank you very much.
Hindi kasi,
It's a spider. Good.
oh,
I don't know. Maybe I will buy gray because I have already black, but black already 7 years I use. Need to change.
tamad yung mga trabaho ngayon.
ibang katrabaho nasa Ayan, parang nakakatakot ka.
Philippine people like bread. Very popular. Free forever. Brownies.
I like the brown.
Shaira like brownies. No, before I like also sweet, but now I don't want.
One I said before.
Ah, for hair have? Okay, later. First with Shaira, first you want it? We go to eat. Huh? Ah, for hair. Sun care. It's sun care. It's man. Forest for men. Sensitive. No, it's for skin. Excuse me, do you have for hair?
For hair,
Yeah, for hair.
shampoo and conditioner.
Ah, no, not shampoo like
Siya ano lang, nilalagay lang siya pag ano.
Ang long.
aloe vera. Don't have for hair. Don't have. Okay, thank you. Aloe vera. I like aloe vera. I bought in China in Walmart. Very good. I want to show what kind of foods we want eat today. Name Yuki. Restaurant is Yuki name. Yuki restaurant. Tables available. Good. I like this one. I give shrimp. I give rice for Shaira.
Good also.
No, I don't. I want this. What you like today?
Today,
No, now what you want it? Because for me tempura, yebi. No, it's not good word in Russian, but it's okay.
they have also like this.
But I asking what you want? Yebi tempura curry. How to say yebi? Ebi. Oh, in Russia, Shaira, it's very bad word, really. If I say to you, maybe you.
Maybe this one. This curry.
Okay. Beef curry. Okay. Okay, where? Okay, here. We can sit here also. Good. Yuki. Look like iPhone, Shaira. iPhone 6.
iPhone 6.
iPhone 6, you see? No, look like iPhone 6. Our foods. curry. I charge nano. It's good. I like small, portable, not for night time. Did you try it before, Shaira? This, not try first. No, for me it's okay. Only rice I give to Shaira, half rice because I don't want salad. Is good. I like salad. Okay, if you don't want salad, you give to me salad and take rice. No, I don't want to eat so much rice. Okay. Oh, Shaira said, oh, I don't have people now. She want to buy shawarma. Are you happy, Shaira? You don't have people? No, I don't want. I full already. Today not need it. Shawarma. Ingredients, you see. Cucumber, onion, cabbage. And this is beef, maybe. Is this beef? Ah, beef, yes. Okay. You see how cook. Very popular here in Pampanga. Yes, she asking what. Spicy? Ah, can choose spicy or not?
Yeah.
Ah, but you want no spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy? For you or for your sister?
Oh, yes. Young
Aye?
For young sister.
For young sister, okay. You see how.
So this food for the baby.
Ah, okay. You see how cook, how prepare. Not easy to work here because so many people always, and need so many prepare.
Ang kasama ko yun natin. CR lang. Kala ko ito lang kasi. Tayo.
So. And always asking spicy or not. You see, and later maybe put in microwave. Ah, not maybe. And one piece is how much money, Shaira?
90.
Aye?
90.
90 peso
Spicy
one.
kasama sir. Spicy.
She prepare many and asking everyone spicy or not. Hard work, Shaira, yes? You see, always many people need to, she busy. But how she go to CR, for example? If
She have
need-
another.
Ah, have another. Oh, it's good. Can you work like this, Shaira? I know you work before, also hard work, same. Not easy. Passport food's name. You see already many people here waiting shawarma. Popular shawarma here. 90 peso. Home style cooking. Also sale bottled water. Here buka. It's coconut juice. Also popular. One. It's okay, give me, I will take. No problem. So we're going to home right now. Thank you for watching. Shaira.
Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe and like.
Oh, unsubscribe. Okay. Oh, you see, Oh, broken car, guy. Shire want to buy ice coffee again. I don't know. But Shire, I don't want. Up to you. If you want, okay. But for me, I don't want. Let's see price. Coffee. No, I say what have here. Coffee have also. Red milk, tea, fresh tea, espresso also. You see, ice americano, mandarin have. Ube for discount for senior citizen. Excuse me, senior citizen only Filipina or everyone senior citizen? For example, if old American guy want to, if he have a document, also have discount or only for Filipina? Only for Filipina. Okay, thank you.
Filipino.
But you say to me before, also for foreigner.
Have.
So you see, it's not.
If you have,
Document Philippine, if maybe resident
no,
if American guy resident in the Philippines and have document, it's not problem. Okay, because I know some of people resident already. Okay, thank you. No, it's for my subscribers. Many subscribers, old guys. It's my life Philippines. It's YouTube. Oh, can pay Gcash also. It's good. Gcash.
Gcash
Very. Yes, Gcash have.
wait lang.
Okay, wait long. Wait long, little bit wait. In China, Denisia. 140, it's for... What you order, Shaira? Ice chocolate?
No, chocomalt.
You know, not good for you if drink so many coffee.
It's not coffee.
Not coffee? Okay. What is this?
For fit.
For fit? Okay. I know this. Take out, Shaira, or you want to sit here? Or take out?
You can sit also here. if
Up
you
to you. I have time now. If you want, we can sit here.
want. Because I want to go like.
What you want? Go home? No, if you want go home, we go home. Not problem. Maybe traffic now is 6 p.m. 6 p.m. always traffic. Working time already. Working days in the Philippines.
That's okay.
Yeah, not problem for me.
Because I feel like
Because you eat so much, Shaira. Not
I
need,
don't eat so much,
not
but-
need eat so much. Take out, yes. Better take out. You can sleep in the car. Yes. Okay, already have. It's also take out. Good. Thank you. Okay, we're going to parking now. Good weather in Angeles City. Not so many people.